Fuck. Hey everybody, I'm Beans Plays, and today I'm going to be playing Animal Crossing because it's an adorable little game. And also, I wanted to say a couple things. Also, I'm gonna pause my music. After a little after the first video, I got a couple things done. I changed my character a bit. I have more animals in the camp now, and it looks much better than it did in the last one. And, I can do a lot more things better. Oh, and also, I changed up a few of the characters' clothes, because I'm now able to do that. I also got my van painted red, white, and blue for America, because that's where I live. America! So, yeah, we got a few things done. I'll show you around the camp. See? Red, white, and blue. Cool, I got an alpinist dress. Next time your login bonus will include a leaf ticket. And a request ticket. A leaf ticket. So this is my character now. My little OC. Her name is Still Beams. And I changed my van to red, white, and blue. Oh god, I'm in. I also changed up the van a bit inside. I've kind of read all these. Yeah. So here it is. So yeah. This is my little washer. This is a seat. I got rid of the aloe plant. I mean it's not in here anymore. I got the swing moved around here, and I've got like a lot more space. I also got rid of the 2-seat couch in here, which is now out in my camp. Holy. Holy shit, there are a lot of these. Oh. So I got some stuff done in the garden. Like, I got flowers now. I got red, orange, yellow, and orange. And then I got some here. Okay. So, I changed up Goldie a bit. She's got her own little dress now. Yes, Beams. Let's talk later. And I got Jay to follow me. I also changed up his outfit. And I also got the cute little kitty cat, Rosie, over here to talk to me as well. Have you heard about what happened to my BFF Filbert the other day? Well, it was like way sweet, so I want to give him something to celebrate, but like, what would he like most? I don't know who Filbert is. Cabin couch. That's like genius. I'll go drop it off right now. I don't know who Filbert is. Oh, there's a little blue squirrel. So what did I do to deserve something this awesome? You just made my week, Bucko. I'm just like over here clapping. Not right now. Beam, since you've taken time to help me out, I thought I might hook you up with this. Like 8 of them or something. Wait, I thought that was Filbert's. That's cute. I thought my reward was the cabin couch. She's so cute. And you know what? Because I got a new couch, we're gonna figure out how to do this. Oh god. Oh god. Let's see. Okay. Oh god. No wait. Nice. Now it looks like this. Oh, so this tooth seat thing that was in my RV, it's here now. I'm gonna sit on here. Wait, I'm gonna take a picture. Fudge. But yeah, so Rosie wants to talk to me apparently. So Lisa, what you need? Tell me a story. My friends always tell me I have an eye for design. I can totally help this place make this place look better. I mean, not that it doesn't look great already. Anyway, here. Think you can use it somewhere? I don't know. It depends what it is. You got a gift from Rosie. Blitzclam. You got a gift from Rosie. How do I thank her? I can change her outfit now, can't I? Yep. I'm a level 5. Holy shit. Holding an unveiling party will increase your friendship level with all the animals in attendance. When an animal likes a new amenity theme, your maximum friendship level with that animal will increase. The more amenities you craft, the more your friendships will grow. Aww. Alright. Let's check up here. Okay. Oh, you know what? I completely forgot about these. Cute. I kind of want to craft this. You bought an knife from Mabel. Thank you. Oh my god, I can have a bunny hat. Holy shit. Do I even have the stuff for this? No, I don't. Wait. How many does it need? Let's see if I can find one that I haven't read already. Actually, I haven't read this one yet. The perfect antidote for stress and exhaustion is the natural beauty of the great outdoors. Oh, okay. Eh. Whoa, what happened? I don't have 45 leaf tickets. Yeah, but I already have some of these. I think I want to wear this. It's so cute. Wait, I'm going to do something. Close. And it's a surprise. Look at me! I'm so cute! In my little twirly dress. It's like running around in circles. I'm so adorable. Hi. Look, Goldie, now we have matching dresses. They're so cute. They're both green and white. I'm gonna come over here and sit. Alright. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video. As soon as I get the right pose. In the next video. Bye.